sync the time to the workstation during daylight savings time. So for now, we'll just keep it simple. We'll just use the local date time. Some advanced cases, we use a time syncing logic which will sync with your local server time
అంటే ఆ వీడియో తగ్గట్టు అందరికి అర్థం
for
అవ్వాలి
data
కాబట్టి
validation and
thumbnail ఇచ్చుకోవడం కూడా
integrity
చాలా
of the
ఇంపార్టెంట్.
data. We can sync it with
ఉంటుంది.
a
నేను స్టాప్
server time
చేసినప్పుడు
using a
మనం
separate
స్టార్ట్
AOI,
చేస్తున్నాను.
which we'll discuss in later videos. For now,
ఇప్పుడు చూడండి
this is how we get
మనకి live
the
start
local
అవుతుంది.
time. But if you look at this local time monitor, you need to know which time is, which array is on this, like 0 is the year, month, day, so that would be day, and then you have local hours here. If you look at this local time monitor, hours and minutes, you need to know seconds and microseconds. Time is and microseconds. Array is. So that's how you get the like local time. Right? One way of doing it. But if you want to, that would be day. Have to the date hours here. If you look at instead of creating, there is a concept of user-defined tags, which we're going to look at that in the subsequent videos. But for now, let's use this one. So if your shift time is at seconds and microseconds, use this time to capture amount of time the machine has been in auto. So if you go back to our get watch the previous series, please click on the screen. So we know machine is in step 10, the machine is in auto, and we have created timers which start, I think, in the cycle time, where how long would be once a step is in 0, the machine is in idle, right? And we want to reset this idle time every shift, record it into a array. You use, say for example, is not resetted. So what we can do is, if we are at the end of each shift, so we say equal to instruction, and we know system local time dot plc, and then this is E8 and R, and we do like a one shot, because we'll just do one time, then control C, control V, 4, just to show. I'll just use say 20 minutes, 18, say 20 minutes, when the time is 18:20, and then second do a time, a reset, and time idle underscore time. You could actually use a copy idle time into a FIFO, for which you can watch the previous situation, but I'm just showing the system. Yeah, let's look at it here. We could by to get some control C here, reset, and control V that. Take current, we'll take C, we call it a cycle time idle, and create for it. Okay, so to record these at shift 6 p.m. we need to use exactly 6 hours 0 minutes 0 seconds and greater than 0 microseconds. So all I used and make this 27 minutes. So you could see when the time hits 18:27 0 seconds and greater than 0 microseconds, that's when the existing time will move, the idle time accumulator value will move into the FIFO array. So we have like 16 seconds. Yep, so the move happened and you could see the timer resetted. So if we go back and look at the FIFO, we have accumulator value, get system value which gives the UTC time, and we have a local date time which gives you the local time, and we use that as a trigger to the amount of idle time per shift. And one note we need to be careful is the structure of that array is the 0th position is year followed with month, day, hours, minutes, seconds and microseconds. So that's all for this video. In the next videos we'll talk about how to take all this information and put it into a user defined tag, and also we'll talk about get the fault PLC and how do we write a fault routine and how to faults and minor faults. In the next video. Thank you.